Unfortunately, to communicate and think effectively, it is necessary to follow a few rules and suggestions that are quite different to the ones we are taught right through from primary school to university. Let's look at a simple and highly effective example that can be used in different personal and professional environments. We have been taught to read pausing at commas. This is a classic example. I rushed back home, but there was no one there. What is the effect of this sentence? Nothing special. You could almost ask, why are you telling me? Instead, try a slightly longer pause after the word but. I rushed back home, but there was no one there. This way, you pique curiosity and create a small gap that holds the listener's attention and gives them space to ask themselves what is happening. This space enables the listener to make hypotheses that will influence the perception of what you say later, enriching it from an emotional perspective. For example, will the fact that no one was there have made the narrator sad or angry? A linear narrative, by contrast, does not leave much room for emotion and identification. In addition to this, the pause creates a bit of tension that is followed by relief when the next element is revealed. Think about it a moment. Dialogue and the entire science in films and TV series use this strategy to keep viewers glued to the screen in a sort of communication roller coaster. You can easily transpose this type of pattern to any environment to make communication more intense and create a hook for your audience. You can even pause narration entirely and ask a question like, "What do you think happens next?" Thus engaging the audience in the conversation and leading them to think about their own life and experiences. This dynamic can be very effective, especially when your role is to develop or nurture somebody and you are a parent, a manager, teacher, coach, or psychotherapist.